Tridip,
Yeah, and
nobody.
you can start. I have taken a screenshot.
Here are, here are the rules. Let's have a demo. Question number 0. There will be no points for this question. No prize for this question. It is just for a try. So here comes question number 0. Stephen Fleming, Jack Cullis, and Sean Pollock all won their 100 caps in the same match. The first test bowlers, the first test between South Africa and New Zealand in April 2006. Cullis was happiest as South Africa won, and he scored exactly 100 runs in the match. Where quite appropriately named city did they play their 100 test? Anyone who is going for it? Nobody taking a chance?
Yeah, Anurag Kaushik has bounced.
Okay. So yeah,
Cape Town.
it's not Cape Town is not the right answer. The answer is the Centurion. You can see 100 right, 100 tests, 100 caps, 100 runs. So that is why it has been appropriately named as the Centurion. Anyway, good try, Anurag. Rishikesh, he pounced late.
Yeah, I was a bit late actually. It's okay. Anyways, my answer would be wrong anyway. So
So yeah. So let us start with comics one first. The questions for the comics were set by our research consultant, Ritesh Goswami, who is also the coder of this list. So without any delay, uh, keep your fingers on your keyboard. Let us go. The first question coming up here. X began his career in 1960 as a cartoonist for the Delhi-based newspaper Milap with comic strip Dabu. Apart from Dabu, Indian comic scenario was largely based on reprints of the Phantom and Superman. In 1969, he sketched Y for the Hindi magazine Lotpot, which made him famous. He was included in People of
Yeah,
the Year
Disha has bounced.
by Limca Book of Records for popularizing comics in India. Give me X and Y. So yeah, go ahead. Was Lisa right? Yeah.
Disha has bounced.
Your time starts now. Unmute yourself.
Can I see the question again?
Yeah. Yeah, your answer. Time is ticking.
Is it Anant Pai?
It is not
X
Anand
for
Pai.
X.
It's your turn.
The
Okay.
next one who bounced is Rajnil.
Try to answer in 10 seconds, right? Don't take much time. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, my answer is for Y.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's is it Shaktiman?
Now, Shaktiman, passing to Rituraj. Rituraj, please answer quickly.
X is Pran Kumar Sharma.
Why?
Why? Why? I think Shaktiman.
sir, may I answer?
Huh?
Sir, is Y Chaudhary?
So your answer is X is Pran and Y is?
Y is Chacha Chaudhary. It's me, Rishikesh Das. X was one.
No, Rishikesh, no. Like it was
No,
Rituraj's
no,
turn, right?
Rishikesh, you won't get the chance.
No,
So,
no. We'll let you know when you get. When you have to say the answer, right? So it was Rituraj
I
said X
said
is Pran.
X is I
Pran,
yes.
yeah.
Why I said Shaktiman.
And why? Okay, so
Why
I'm going to the
Chacha
answer.
Chaudhary?
Nobody gets. But Rishikesh already said this, right? So everyone,
Yeah.
please refrain from answering the question. Like we'll let you know when your turn comes. Okay. So the answer is Pran and Chacha already. Well correct, Rishikesh, but you pounced late. Anyway, hands on the keyboard. Question number 2.
just to make sure, the first three only get the chance to answer.
Yeah, the first you will get the chance to answer. So yeah. So question number 2. In the news, I think you should crack this. Set on Earth 22, this DC film shows Superman being driven crazy after Joker tricks Superman in killing Lois Lane. However, this movie showed something which caused a commotion among Indian audiences. Indian fans showed their displeasure with many people criticizing it and calling for its boycott. What was the issue that caused
Yeah.
such a commotion?
Rishikesh Deka bounced.
Rishikesh Deka, Disha, and
Rishikesh
Alakya.
Deka.
Rishikesh Deka, go ahead. Yeah.
Could you show me the question, the ending part, please? Actually, I didn't.
What was the issue that caused such a commotion? Try to answer it in 10 seconds. Rishikesh, your answer? Your answer?
No, sir, I have no answer actually. I thought the question was something else.
Then it goes to Disha. Try to answer it in 10 seconds.
Did they show any destruction of some temple or that kind of thing?
Good guess, not the right answer. Alakesh, your turn. What is your
লাইক
answer?
তেওঁলোকে মানে কাশ্মীৰক মানে মানে উগ্ৰপন্থীৰ ঘাটি বুলি দেখুৱাইছিল
Boria,
মানে
Boria Uttar, Alakesh. Alakesh gets 10 points. Ritesh, kindly note. This is indeed, it showed Kashmir as a disputed territory, and because of this, Superman was called anti-national by G News. So it was in the news recently. So yeah. Question number 3. Your fingers on the keyboard. This famous superhero's first appearance was a bald man bent on conquering the world before his character being changed. Who am I talking about? Easy one. Send your answers quickly. Navadip?
Yeah, Disha has bounced. Alokesh has bounced.
Yeah, Disha, go ahead. You get 10
Is it
seconds.
Superman?
Let us have a look at the
Hello,
answer.
is it?
Yeah, we have got your answer. It is indeed Superman. So Disha also gets 10 rupees. So it is, kindly note, Disha and Alokesh, they have got 10 rupees so far.
First question, no one got right.
First question, no one got. Okay, so question number 4. What do all these have in common? Ultron, Wolverine, Sabretooth, Bullseye, Lady Deathstrike, and X-23. From the
Yeah, Rishikesh has bounced. Nirupam has bounced and Disha has bounced.
Yes, you go ahead. Yeah, take a shot, Rishikesh.
Marvel.
Like not Marvel, more specific.
Sir, they are from Marvel, actually, Marvel Studios, I think.
No, next, who bounced
We
next?
from Wolverine.
It's
Nobody.
Nirupam.
Nirupam, go ahead.
They're all mutants.
Then next who bounced? Nobody.
Disha.
Go ahead.
Did they lift Thor's hammer?
Well, the answer is adamantium. Adamantium. Fictional metal from Marvel Universe. Okay, so nobody gets
I knew but I was late.
problem. More questions to go. In the storyline, Deadpool kills the Marvel Universe after a failed attempt by Psycho Man to torture and brainwash Deadpool into becoming his personal minion. Deadpool begins assassinating every superhero and supervillain on Earth, starting with the Fantastic Four and even killing the Watcher. Before the book ended, who were his last victims? Deadpool kills the Marvel Universe. Who were his last victims?
Rishikesh Deka has bounced.
Okay, Rishikesh, go ahead. Answer.
Is it Wolverine?
Not Wolverine. Next,
Alokesh.
Rakesh, go ahead.
Like Professor X.
Not Professor X. Next one to bounce.
Next is Rajnil Varali.
Yeah, Rajni, go ahead.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. The answer is quite fascinating. So the answer is the Marvel writers and artists who were writing the book. So question number 6. Identify him. Easy one. Yeah, nobody who has.
Disha has bounced. Disha has bounced.
Go ahead.
Anand Pai?
Well, let us have a look at the answer. It is indeed Anand Pai. So Disha gets another plus 10 in her account. It is kindly note. The following are a few old jungle sayings that are featured in X comics. When the X strikes, lightning stands still. You never find the X, he finds you. The voice of the X turns the blood to ice. The X is rough with rough necks. Never point a gun at the X. He who looks upon X's face will die a horrible death. Famous comics. Anyone pouncing? Nobody?
Yeah, Atlanta has bounced.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is it Phantom? Phantom?
And let us have a look at the answer. Yes, indeed, Phantom. So Atlanta also gets plus 10. It is note.
Yes, sir.
So question number 8, the last question of comics round. The Doom Patrol is a superhero team appearing in publications of DC Comics. They are a bunch of social outcasts with abilities and are led by a wheelchair-bound guy. X is a superhero team appearing in Marvel Comics and has many similarities with Doom Patrol. These were so obvious that the creator of Doom Patrol went on to accuse Stan Lee of stealing his concept. What is X?
Yeah, Disha has bounced.
Yeah, Disha, go ahead. Disha, are you there? Try to answer quickly.
Justice League.
Next. Who was the next one to bounce?
Krishanu.
Fantastic
Krishanu,
Four. Fantastic Four.
Then next.
Next, Chunky Sharma.
Chunky, your answer?
X-Men.
X-Men. Okay, let us have a look at the answer. It's X-Men. Chunky gets plus 10 in his account. Great. So, Regis, can you announce the scores, please? Regis?
Disha is leading with 20 points. Chunky has 10. Atlanta has 10 and Alakesh has 10.
Not points, these are tracks actually. So
I
moving on
mean,
to cricket.
price.
Yeah. So these are now coming to cricket round. The questions for the cricket round were set by Navadi Burman and Pradeep Chetri, who are the Vice President and Treasurer of Quiz Club respectively. So question number 9. Very interesting question. In order to get some on her son that he could only bowl at the walls if he keep the noise down. The young guy chose the floor skirting as the target, where the walls meets the floor, since the ball made the least sound when it rebounded off it. Which person and what famous aspect of him thus originated?
Himujjal has bounced.
Mojal, your answer?
That is Jasprit Bumrah.
And what famous aspect?
That is Yorker. He's good. Perfect Yorker.
So yeah, it is indeed the answer. Jasprit Bumrah's and his Yorker. Question number 10. Whose role is Tapsi Pannu playing in this upcoming biopic? Easy one, I guess. Anyone going?
Kritanka has bounced.
Yeah, Kritanka, your answer?
Mithila Raj.
Mithila Raj. Okay.
Next is Krishanu.
Mithali Raj.
Answer is Mithali Raj. Will you give it for Mithala Raj? Hello? Nobody, should you give points for Mithala Raj? Or should you
I said
consider
Mithali.
Oh, I heard Mithala.
Yeah, we can give. Okay, we'll consider.
Yeah, what's your name?
Kritanko.
Kritanko gets 10. It is kindly note. Okay. So fingers on the keyboard. Question number 11. Connect the following exhaustive list of cricketers: Aviz Khan, Sarfaraz Khan, Ricky Bhui, Ravindra Jadeja, Vijay Zol. And this list will remain exhaustive unless BCCI removes the ban. What is being talked about? A recent ban which was brought about by BCCI.
Yeah, Anurag has bounced.
Yeah, Anurag, go ahead. Your answer. Anurag, kindly unmute your.
Rajasthan Royals, that cricketing fixing scam that.
Next, who was next to pounce?
Next is Madhurya.
Yeah, go ahead. Madhurya, go ahead.
BCCI rank 1 all-rounder.
Next.
Alokesh.
Yeah, Alokesh, go ahead.
Like তেওঁলোকে মানে এটা ফ্ৰেঞ্চাইজিত থকাৰ লগতে মানে নেক্সট ফ্ৰেঞ্চাইজিৰ লগত মানে চৰিকে ডিল কৰিছিল মানে তাতে লৈ বেন হৈছিল BCCIৰ পৰা।
Okay. So let us have a look at the answer. It is the players who have represented India in 2 under-19 World Cups. যেতিয়া দ্ৰাভিড যেতিয়া কোচ হল ইণ্ডিয়া under-19 টিমৰ তেতিয়াৰ পৰা বেন এটা ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'ল যে under-19 World Cup এজনে অকল এবাৰ খেলিব পাৰে। আগতে 2 বাৰ 3 বাৰ খেলিব পাৰিছিলে, কিন্তু after Dravid became the head coach of under-19 India team, then players could not represent India in more than 1 World Cup under-19. So question number 12. Connect the following players: Mariners Labasugne, Mehdi Hassan, Taizul Islam, KL Rahul, Yuzvendra Singh Chahal. Anyone going for it?
Yeah,
Navadip?
Himujjal has bounced.
Yeah, Humujjal, your answer.
They played in the same under-19 World Cup. Same year.
Okay.
Next is Rion.
Rion, go ahead.
All can ball leg spinner.
Not really. KL Rahul is not a leg spinner, I guess. Krisanu, your answer.
There aren't
All were part of RCB franchise.
Okay. Let us have a look at the answer. It is the concussion substitutes in international cricket. Anyway, question number 13. Connect the following exhaustive list with relation to Virat Kohli. Sir Alistair Cook, Craig K. Sweater, Quinton de Kock, Brendan McCullum, Kevin Peterson, Samit Patel, Mohammad Hafiz, and Johnson Charles.
Yeah, Anurag has bounced.
And easy one, this one. Yeah. Anurag, go ahead.
All were the captains of the respective national teams in Test cricket.
Really?
And next Madhurya.
Surya, go ahead.
All are the captains with highest century.
Not
Next
really.
Alokesh.
Alokesh.
বিৰাট কোহলি গোটেইকেইটাক আউট কৰিছিল নেকি?
Outdoor, Alokesh.
Yeah,
First time.
balance.
Kohli's international wickets আৰু বিৰাট কোহলি he is the only bowler যোনে 0 বলত উইকেট লৈছে, মানে লিগেল ডেলিভাৰী বল নকৰাকৈ বিৰাট কোহলি উইকেট লৈছিল। যোনটো কেভিন পিটাৰছন উইকেট যোনটো আছিল ন, এইটো হোৱাইট বলত বল কৰিছিলে আৰু ধোনীয়ে ষ্টাম্প কৰি দিছিলে। তো উইদাউট বলিং এনি ডেলিভাৰী, এনি লিগেল ডেলিভাৰী, 0 বলত মানে সি উইকেট লৈছিলে। চ' হি ইজ দ্য অনলি বলাৰ টু ডু দিছ। Question number 14. Yeah. Fingers on the keyboard. We connect cricket with France via 1900 Olympics only. But that's not at all. Bruce Ferradiu, a French accent, scored a century on Test debut for the West Indies. Lau, son of French named Richard Gragner Napoleon, was an excellent leg spinner. Playing for Penrith Warrior, he skittled out Saint for 52 and 79. He claimed all 20 wickets and his figures read 10 for 30, including a hat-trick, and 10 for 35. His son, though, was famous in another, but was also a good cricketer. Name him. Anyone going for it? Related to cricket, this person is related to cricket, but not famous for his cricketing abilities, but for different.
Rishikesh Dekha has bounced.
Yeah, Rishikesh, go ahead.
Vivian Richards.
Not Vivian Richards. Good crack though. Then next one. Next one to bounce.
No one has bounced.
Okay. All right. No one going for a guess?
Yeah, Alokesh has bounced.
Yeah, Alokesh, go ahead.
Clive Lloyd.
Clive Lloyd. He was a good cricketer, but not famous as a cricketer. Clive Lloyd, Vivian Richards, these are famous cricketers, right?
Yes.
Anybody else? Okay, I think I can close this. So the answer is Ricky Bennett, the famous commentator, also called the voice of cricket. Okay. So question number 15. X is a columnist and journalist from Gujarat. He has published over 80 books for his work over the years. He won the prestigious Padma Shri Award in 2015. It was the final day of the third India-Australia Test match in 2013 at Mohali. Ravindra Jadeja was bowling to Michael Clarke. Dhoni told him to bowl a wrong one, but used a code to make it impossible for Clarke to understand the instruction. He said, "Isko X dal, wrong one dal." Who is X?
Yeah, Rishikesh Das has bounced.
Okay, Rishikesh, go ahead. Your
Sir,
answer.
Harsha Bhogle.
Not Harsha Bhogle. Next one to
Next
bounce.
is Rajnil.
Yeah, Rajnil, go ahead.
इसको गलत डाल.
Not Galat. Next,
No one has bounced.
famous columnist and journalist from Gujarat. Okay, so the answer is Tarak Mehta. So Dhoni said to Jadeja that इसको Tarak Mehta डाल to suggest him to bowl the ulta or wrong one. A reference to Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, the famous TV serial, was also in the news. Question number 16. Vishal Malhotra, a 25-year-old engineer from Delhi, quit his job at Accenture and enrolled at Balaji Acting School. He has worked with Shah Rukh Khan in a love song and cameo in Ragini MS2, few other ads like KFC's Hot and Saucy and Priya Gold Biscuits, but remained unnoticed. He got one-off assignment from Bubble Wrap Films, which gave him the role of Sabaruddin Khan, a middle-aged person and father of a little boy from Karachi. What made him popular? Enough hints in the question. Sabaruddin Khan, middle-aged person from Karachi. Anyone bouncing?
Cricket and acting you can work out. Yeah, Rituraj has bounced.
Rituraj, go ahead. Your answer.
After he did the ad campaign of Mocha Mocha.
Very good answer, Rituraj.
Yeah, lovely crack.
Good crack. It is Mocha Mocha. Rituraj gets 10. Ritis, can you note? Okay, so question number 17. And style to let the players know of their wrongdoings during the following incidents. Incident 1 involving Sen 1. During the tsunami welfare between ICC World 11 and ACI 11, Sen 1 at end of 49.5 overs of the first innings ran up to the pavilion, presuming the overs quota was completed. Incident 2 involving Glenn McGrath. During the first ever T20 International Australia versus New Zealand, McGrath rolled the last ball of the innings to Kyle Mills as an underarm delivery. What happened in these two incidents?
Disha has bounced.
Yeah, Disha, your answer?
We have to say what Billy Borden did, right?
Yeah, what Billy Borden did.
He used to signal your finger to actually crooked asile. So instead of straight, crooked fingers use korisile.
Not the right answer. Crook fingers
Yeah,
are
Rishikesh next.
generally there are crook fingers because he's suffering from a medical condition. Yeah, next one to bounce.
Rishikesh next.
Yeah, Rishikesh, go ahead.
Sir, I'll just be reading the question.
Yeah, you have 10
Sir,
seconds
no
to
idea.
answer. Then the next
Anurag
one.
next.
Yeah, go ahead.
He showed a red card.
Very good answer.
A good answer.
Red cards. And so Anurag also gets plus 10 into his account. So now anime time. Ritish, can you kindly say the scores? If you have any doubts, if you have any discrepancy regarding the scores, kindly let us know.
Dada, Disha has 20 points. Alakesh has 20 points.
Yes.
Aklanta has 10 points. Anurag has 10 points. Rituraj 10 points. Himunchal 10. Chunky and Kritanka both 10.
Okay. So many of them getting 10. Let us start. Question number 18. The protagonist of this ongoing historical manga, started in 2005, is the real-life explorer Thorfinn Karlsefni, who was possibly the first Viking to establish permanent settlement in North America. The manga is the fictionalized portrayal of his life as he tried to escape the relentless wars being waged in the Northern European region. Other famous real-life figures include Thorkel the Tall, a Jom Viking portrayed as Thorfinn's great uncle, Leif Erikson, another explorer, and Thorfinn's mentor, was the first European to discover North America, and King Canute the Great, the most prominent Danish ruler of England, who was once the master of Thorfinn, in the manga. Anyone pouncing?
Yeah, Rishikesh Deka has bounced.
Yeah, Rishikesh, go ahead.
Finland Saga.
So Rishikesh also gets plus 10.
মই আগতে কৰিছো
নৱদ্বীপ কাৰ আহিছিলে আগতে?
Sir, মই কৰিছিলো আগতে bounce.
ইয়াত ঋষিকেশ ডেকা ফাৰ্ষ্ট আহিছে।
আমাৰ স্ক্ৰীনত ঋষিকেশ ডেকা ফাৰ্ষ্ট আহিছিলে, চ' অলপ হৈ যায় আৰু নেটৰ নেক্সটৰ কাৰণে এইবোৰ। Don't mind. We have more questions to go. So question number 19. Nordlingen is a town in the Donau-Ries district in Swabia, Bavaria, Germany. It is the inspiration of a city in an anime. The original manga's author hails from the city of Oyama, Oita, Japan, which is completely surrounded by mountains. In this, the wishes of the main character has been derived from the childhood desires of the author to explore the world beyond the mountains of Oyama. Identify the name of the city in the anime or manga in the question. There is also a picture. Yeah, this is a picture of the town. So, anyone pronouncing?
Yeah, Hrishikesh Das has bounced.
Yeah, Hrishikesh, go ahead.
Is it Shiganshina
Can you repeat?
from Attack on Titan? Shiganshina district from Attack on Titan.
Yeah. Next one to bounce. Nobody?
Yeah, it's Krishanu Borua.
Yeah, Krishna, your answer?
Singhasina.
The next one?
Yeah, then Hrishikesh Deka.
Seka, your answer?
Paradise Island.
Huh?
Paradise Island.
Look at the answer. It is Singhasina, indeed.
Sir, I
Yeah.
also said
Yeah, I know. So the first one was Hrishikesh.
Hrishikesh Das.
Das was the first one to answer, right? So Hrishikesh Das gets plus 10. It is kindly note. All right. So question number 20. Nekoma and Karasuno are said to be destined rivals because of the long time competition between the respective coaches Ukai and Nekomata. Since the two teams' animal representatives, cats for Nekoma and crows for Karasuna, are animals that are usually found at the dash, the matches between the two teams are often called battle at the dash. Fill in the blanks and identify the anime.
Yeah, Hrishikesh Deka.
They are found at the dustbins, and it is called the battle at the dumpster. Battle at the dumpster.
Yeah, and two questions, right?
First was found at the dustbins.
Yeah. Then the next part, identify the anime.
The anime is Haikyuu.
Good answer.
Good answer.
Hrishikesh Deka, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. There are two Hrishikesh, right? One is Das and one is Deka. I hope you have kept this in mind.
Yes, sir.
Right, great. Good answer. Both Hrishikeshes are good in anime, it seems. Question number 21. X is a term used in Irish mythology, meaning vow or contract. Y is a unit of volume, mostly used to measure the capacity of small vehicle engines. Is that through an interaction with Y gained X? Identify XYZ. Anyone? Nobody has anyone's bounced?
No one has bounced till now.
Go for a guess. No negatives, nothing to lose.
Yeah, Hrishikesh Das has bounced.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think it's sir GS GES
Yeah, XYZ. Axis.
I only know about the X sir GES GS or something.
Anybody else? Nobody bounced, right? Nobody?
Yeah, nobody has bounced.
Look at the answer. X is GS.
It's code GS.
Code GS. What gets this one?
Great anime.
Question number 22. What are the missing dialogues? Ra ta 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 ta, the 100 cracked fists of the North Star. Your fists are as strong as about a mosquito's dash. You must be joking. What are the missing dialogues? Anyone?
No one has bounced.
Okay, let's wait for some time. By the way, these anime questions were made by Aditya Bikram Parasar, who is a junior coordinator of Quiz Club.
Yeah, Atlanta has bounced.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is it
Atlanta, go ahead.
Umaewa mo Shinderu Nani?
Yeah, can you repeat?
Umaewa mo Shinderu Nani?
Okay, so let us have a look at the answer. No one else has pronounced, right?
Yeah, no one is bounced.
So let us. Rituras has pronounced, I guess.
Yeah, just he has bounced.
Rituras, your answer.
It's Omaiwa Mo Shindeiru.
Have a look at the answer. My Sindeiru. So
Yeah,
second one,
that's
Sectors Nani. Like both of them said the same answer, right?
yeah.
The first one to say the answer, correct answer was Atlanta.
Atlanta.
Atlanta gets 10. Question
Dada,
number
the
20.
previous one no one got, right?
Previous one means yeah, no one
21.
got.
Yeah, no one got.
So question number 23. In Tokyo Ghoul, it is a crackable answer.
Yeah,
The
Rishikesh has bounced usually.
hair turns white after he is tortured for days by Jason. This is a reasonably well-known syndrome after a famous person who is said to have shown the same symptoms, especially after her capture following the ill-fated flight to Varanus in 1791. The syndrome is thought to be a variant of alopecia areata diffusa or autoimmune nose-carrying hair loss that affects all pigmented hairs, leaving only the white hair behind. Triggers have also been postulated, including sorrow and fear, but also fits of rage and extreme amounts of stress. Identified as syndrome. Yeah, so who
Rishikesh
found?
Dekka has bounced.
Okay.
I don't know actually.
Okay, so
And
next one to
Disha.
bounce. Yeah, Disha, go ahead.
Marie Antoinette syndrome.
Let's have a look at the answer. It is indeed Marie Antoinette syndrome. Disha gets 110 into her account. So it is kindly note. It was a crackable answer. Question. In Japanese mythology, X is known as the goddess of the sun, and Y is the god of the moon. Why supposedly displays X, causing the sun and the moon to be in different parts of the sky? X and Y are fitting names of two complementary techniques in a popular series. All the techniques in this class derive their names from Shinto mythology. Identify the class of abilities and X and Y.
Yeah, Rishikesh Das has bounced.
Are they Edison Equa?
Okay. Next one to bounce.
Next, Chunky Sharma.
Yeah, Chunky, your answer.
It's Yin and Yang.
Yin and Yang.
Yes, sir.
Next one to bounce.
Deepan Kumar Tumu.
Yeah, Deepan, your answer.
Amaterasu Tsukiyomi.
Okay, so let us have a look at the answer. Good answer.
Good answer.
Deepak, right? So Deepak Deepan gets plus 10 into his account. So the last question of today's quiz. Before that, like we will be launching our membership form today. So like those who want to be a part of this community and you want to expand your space, you can join us. We'll send the link in the WhatsApp group, and also kindly share your feedback regarding the quiz in the WhatsApp group. Right, our job is to give the best like value to you all, and it is not possible without your feedback. So kindly give your feedback in the WhatsApp group. So the last question, here it goes. Katsudo Sasin depicts a young boy in a sailor suit who writes the kanji characters Katsudo Sasin from right to left, then turns to the viewer, removes his hat, and bows. Katsudo Sasin is a provisional title for the film, whose actual title is unknown. What is this description of?
Yeah, Disha has bounced.
Okay, Disha, go ahead.
It was the first anime.
Let us have a look at the answer. Indeed, it is the first ever anime made in around 1907. So with this, we come to the end of today's quiz. Ritesh, can you say the final scores?
Disha won with 40 rupees. Rishikesh had 20. Atlanta had 20 and Alakesh had 20. Rishikesh Das had 10. Deepan had 10. Anurag had 10. Rituraj had 10. Himujjal 10. Chunky 10 and Kritanka 10.
All right. So
the winner is Disha.
So a lot of people made money today, and we will have more such quizzes in the coming few days. So kindly leave a feedback about how you felt regarding today's quiz, and of course, we'll be launching our membership form today. So thank you so much for participating. Deepan has, football quiz.
Yeah, we'll come with football quiz also.
We'll look into it, Deepan. Any more suggestions from your side? Please feel free to forward your suggestions, like what kind of quizzes you want and what kind of questions you. Yeah, Rituras, you can ask about membership. Yeah.
Yes, is there any membership fees? I mean, I don't have currently any online payment method like Google Pay, Paytm. So currently, I will not be able to pay.
Okay.
Can I, if possible, can I mean, can I know what is the last date actually?
Well, we'll let you know. Okay. Don't worry. Are you based in Guwahati or like you're not out
I
of
mean,
Guwahati?
like, if I am not able to do the payment now, can I enter the club later on? Yeah, I will give the payment, but in cash.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, we'll look into it. So Rituras, right? Okay, we'll look into it. Okay. Arinam, you can stop recording now. So many of if you okay.
I think we can take a screenshot now.
Yeah. Just take a screenshot.
Everyone switch on your camera so that we can take a screenshot.